Hello and welcome to my drum solo for stage class. My name is Brenda. I'm an Argentinian dancer working in Egypt for more than 7 years, and today we are going to learn a choreography with high impact for the audience, which will have a low impact in our body. So, from here, we are going to start with the rhythm balladi. And we are going to make the basic step for balladi, which is wahda onos or maxul step with our left leg. So for 4 times, dum tak trakatak, dum trakatak, traka drum trak trakatak, drum trakata. And then we step and we just move our head to the side. Dum tak takatak, dum takatak, step back, and then omi with both legs together in the same line, and the legs a little bit flexing our knees, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will be with a lot of power. Now, we're going to use a side step, starting to the right. With the left leg, we step left in the front, open, close, open, close, and directly right to the front. Open, close, open, and then again the left leg in the front, but this time I will look to the audience, not to the sides. Front, and step to the back, step to the back, and again I will make the omi how I did before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this one, when we go to the sides and to the front, we're going to add a little bit of a twist with the hips. So we are here, hips, step, step, hips, step, step, hips, step, step, omi, 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 omi. Let's make it with the music